To all of you. Use of internet platform has been a modern tool for various criminals, organized crimes to be committed in various parts of the world. This also includes online gaming. As you know, Telangana state was one of the first in the country to pass a legislation banning online gaming in the state of Telangana. As a follow-up to that, we have a team of highly trained and specialized people who are manning the cybercrime police station. The investigation skill of the cybercrime police station in Hyderabad is one of the most advanced in the country, and 2 cases were registered recently in which cheating and criminal conspiracy angle was also there, apart from the online gaming. As you know, globally it is seen that more than 6,000 crore money is involved in this business of online gaming, which is considered legal in some part of the world and it is considered illegal in many parts of the world, including Telangana. The 2 cases which were registered, it showed cheating of 97,000 rupees in the first case and 1,64,000 in the second case. During investigation, our investigators found that they are using the social media platform Telegram group, in which entry was limited only by reference, and each member who was introducing a new member was getting some kind of a commission. It was very controlled atmosphere, as the system administrator, the admin, just like you have the WhatsApp admin, the Telegram also has an admin, and he was controlling everything, including the websites which will be registered and which will be used and which will be changed again and again, and which is informed by the group admin on a daily basis. Investigation also revealed that the bank accounts and the payment gateways were linked primarily to 3 companies: Linkwin, SpotPay and DokiPay. Some other companies' name also have come up in the investigation. The shareholders and promoters of these companies are Indian as well as Chinese. Some of the companies are Growing Infotech, Silly Consulting Services, Panyun Technologies, Daisy Link Financial, Huawei Financial, and some of the registered directors who have been associated are Rahul Munjal from Gurgaon, Lin Yang from China, Ming Yang from China, Mrs. Jingling Wan from China, Neeraj Kumar Tuli from Delhi, Dheeraj Sarkar from Gurgaon. The domain name servers of the gaming websites are all based in China, and the data is cloud-based. The entire technical operation is run by China-based directors and partners of these companies. The payments were being routed through India based on payment service providers and gateways. They also used facility like Paytm. The company has also an establishment in Cayman Island in the Caribbean, which is considered to be one of the best tax haven in the world. The amount so far frozen by the investigators of CCS Cybercrime Police Station amounts to about 30 crore so far, which is from the HSBC Gurgaon branch. You are familiar that such kind of online gaming in other states, it has also led to people committing suicide. Therefore, I request all the parents, guardians, teachers, young boys and girls not to get attracted to this vice which may lead to negative things in life. Joint CP CCS Avinash Mohanty has been coordinating and will be seeking the support of other agencies like Enforcement Directorate, Income Tax Department, and the Registrar of Companies. The wonderful work done by the Cybercrime Police Station has some of the officers whose contribution I must appreciate. They are Sub-Inspector of Police Madan, Inspector of Police Mohan, Constable Officer Maheshwar Reddy, Constable Officer Sunil, Constable Officer Chari, and Assistant Commissioner of Police Prasad, under the overall leadership of Avinash and Shikha Goel, who have done an excellent work in this. Thank you.